In this subtask for the JSON CSV converter project, we're going to be working on the read CSV function. So for the objectives of this particular function, we're going to be reading and parsing the CSV file. So we're going to open the file present at the given path using file reader, and we're going to initialize the CSV reader to read the rows sequentially. And we're going to store each row as an array of arrays, and we're going to return it to the main function if it's successful. And in case we get any errors, we're going to print out an error message. Here we have our expected output. Now first we're going to create an array of arrays called all data, and after that we have our try and catch block over here. So first in the try block we are going to initialize a file reader object and a CSV reader object. So we're going to create a new array of strings called row, which will contain the data of the row, and we're going to read it from the CSV file given using reader.readNext. And after that we're going to run a while loop which has the condition while row is not equal to null. We're going to add the data present in that row to the all data array of arrays, and after that we're going to go to the next row using reader.readNext. Now after reading every single row present in the CSV file, we're going to run an if statement, that is if all data is empty, then we're going to print out CSV file is empty and we're going to return null. Or else it means that the CSV file has been loaded successfully, so we're going to print out a success message, and then we're going to return the all data. And in case we catch an error, we're going to print out error loading CSV file and return null. Coming to the main function, here we have our file path, and here we're initializing the array of arrays. Here we have called it as data, and we're going to store the output we get from read CSV function in the data variable. And if data is not equal to null, we're going to print out the CSV content. So we have a for loop over here in which basically we're going to print out a bar after each value present in the row so that it looks uniform. Let's just run this code once. So you can see we loaded the CSV file successfully, and here we have our CSV file, and here we have our data. Let's just submit this code once. So passed all the test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.